Free tokens to early users? Yes. What if I told you there's a project building the foundation for cross-chain trading that might drop free tokens only for early users? Rome protocol could be the next Arbitrum-style airdrop, and today I'll show you exactly what to do to maximize your chances step by step. Let's participate in their whitelist and do some easy tasks for their testnet. By the way, Rome protocol is the system that lets liquidity and trades settle securely across different blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, Layer 2s, and etc. Instead of trading inside one chain, Rome wants to make all chains feel like one big financial market. Also, it has raised $9 million funding recently. Let's join their website. I put a link to this project and also updates of this project and other projects in our Telegram channel, and the link to the post is in the description of the video. Feel free to join. So for joining this project, first of all, we need to log in, and here you can enter your email address and submit it. Here it sends you an email for your address, and you enter the code and join this website. After you entered your email address, come to the settings section, and here you can link your Twitter account, EVM wallet or MetaMask wallet, Solana wallet, or you can use Phantom and Discord. So for Twitter, you need to authorize the app, and that's it. For EVM, we're gonna use the MetaMask wallet and connect it. After that, you need to sign a transaction and confirm it. And that's it. Then you'll need to connect your Solana wallet, and you can use MetaMask or Phantom. Both of them are okay. Click on connect, and that's it. Or you can use another wallet like Phantom, and if you have installed Phantom recently and it doesn't show, you need to reload the page. That's it, and then we can connect our Discord account, authorize the app. That's it. Now we have connected our email and also our Twitter account, Discord, Mask, of course, and Phantom wallet. Now let's go back to the previous page here. Now you can see that there's a join button. You need to click it. It says that follow Rome protocol. So there are 3 tasks that we need to do. One is following them in the Twitter. You need to follow and join the Rome Discord. So click on the join and enter community affiliation. So first of all, we need to get to their Discord account after following their Twitter. So here you can select the community next, and also or contributor, engage, developer, and finish. Then you'll need to verify that you are a human being. So after you verified in their Discord, you need to come to the third part, and here you can write airdrop funds in this section and content creator submit. You can come to this section every day, and you can put a GM in this section, wave your hand and put a GM in this section, and you will get some XP. Also for their reposting in their Twitter, also joining their Telegram, and doing some other jobs, you will get XP, and XPs will affect your share of airdrop. Also, here you need to mint this badge. Okay, this is not obligatory. You can choose yourself to mint it or not, and it's about $1, and it costs about $1 on base Ethereum. For that, you need to disconnect your wallet, click on claim now, and here you can pay and mint it. It's about 86 cents. So I'm not minting it for now, but you can mint it. Now let's go to the second website. I have put the link in the description of the video. You can join our Telegram channel and see the post there. There are many links about this project and also updates about this project. You need to put a wallet address here, but before that, you need to go to your Phantom wallet and turn on Testnet networks. Go to the settings, developer settings, testnet mode, and this is it. Now your Solana DevNet is active. Now you can come back here, and here you need to click on receive and receive DevNet. Okay, we are going to receive DevNet, and here you can enter your wallet address in this section. Okay, here you need to enter the amount. You can choose the amount that you want, for example, 1, and confirm. Here, there should be a CAPTCHA for us to solve. So the CAPTCHA is not loading because maybe their valid, their Solana DevNet account has finished for their faucet, so we cannot receive faucet from this website. So we need to use another website that I'm telling you. Okay, you can get Solana faucet from this website that I put the link in the description of this video. Feel free to join our Telegram post, and there you can see the links. So now you need to enter your faucet address here, your wallet address here to receive the faucet, and here you click on the DevNet. Okay, it says that successful airdrop. So that was successful, and click on continue. So come to the fourth website that I put a link for you guys in the description, and just come here and to connect our Solana wallet. For that, in the fourth website, you need to connect your Solana wallet here. For that, choose the Phantom, connect, and after that, as you can see, it says disconnect. It means that your Solana wallet is connected now. Layer 2 wallet, choose the MetaMask and click on connect. And here, approve the network, and that's all. Okay, here you need to enter the amount that you want to swap. Okay, for example, this much, and click on the transfer. So it says that your balance is not enough, but I have enough balance. And there's a bug in this website. I will inform you guys as soon as it gets fixed. So feel free to get the updates in our Telegram channel about this project and especially this website. So now let's go on for the fourth website about this project. Okay, you can enter the fourth website by the link I provided for you in the description. So here you need to enter your name, Discord username, Twitter username, and also Rome Testnet wallet address, which you have used in the previous website to breach. Okay, I will inform you as soon as possible. After that, you can just enter this information and submit your form. That's it for this project, guys. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment and subscribe and hit the like button so you can get the updates early. See you guys and bye bye.